Good day, my wonderful people. I'm here again today. My name is Kwado. In this video, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about an Igbo man before going into any relationship or marriage with an Igbo man. What is Igbo? Igbo is a tribe in West Africa, in Nigeria. We are respected so much because we respect our culture and we don't play with our culture. So in this video, I will take you through everything you need to know about an Igbo man, our do's and don'ts. So let's kick off. Number one, food. You know our traditional food like egusi soup, ogbono soup. Many of you watching me that have traveled to Nigeria, especially in west, east. That's Nigeria, Igbo land. We don't joke with egusi soup and our fufu. You get the vibe. And secondly, Igbo men don't joke with money. Anything you're doing with an Igbo man, always try to be straightforward because we don't joke with our money, because money is not easy to get. So an Igbo man values money so much, so don't play with his money. When you respect him concerning his money aspect, he will value you so much. And if you're watching this video now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel of this Igbo boy from somewhere in Nigeria. And also like this video and drop your comment. And then the third one, Igbo men loves women that hustle. You know, as a woman, when you are hustling, you are supportive. So an Igbo man won't joke with you because you are supportive. You are financially supportive. Igbo men don't joke with women that hustle. So if you're a hustler, bear in mind that your relationship with an Igbo man will last longer and might even lead to marriage. So always try, as a woman, always try to be a hustler because Igbo men don't joke with hustlers. You get the vibe. So these are the things you should know about an Igbo man. And also, last, Igbo men love women that pray. Generally, every man loves a lady, a girl that pray, because your prayer means a lot to the financial progress and otherwise of the man. So this just it. I know it was simple and short, but these are the basic things you should know about an Igbo man. I knew you enjoyed this video. I'm Kwado once again. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop your thoughts, what I missed, because we Igbo men got many qualities. Not that I'm praising our tribe, not that I'm praising Igbo tribe in particular, but just this is just our mental truth, our basic qualifications. So if you go along with these things I mentioned here, your relationship with an Igbo man will last longer. But bear in mind, Igbo men don't joke with their money. That's the most important aspect. So thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, comment, drop your thoughts, and share this video. And also tell me anything that feels that I forgot to state. Or thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.